Welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. It's MNR Lifestyle TV and we are here this evening. We're gonna make a dish this evening. This evening guys, we are do jerk turkey guys. So right now we have our turkey prepared already, as you guys could see here. So now we're gonna put it in the pan and then we're gonna put it in our oven. The oven are warm up right now guys. So we are wait pan to demonstrate right now and show you guys how we do our turkey by prep it, put it in the pan, ready to bake. Okay? Yeah man guys. So we here and guys, please remember now to go to MNR Lifestyle TV and give us some love over there, guys. Yes, because right now we endorsing that channel too. Over there, we do like a family channel, guys, where we do different things from our lifestyle over there. It's me and my daughter, as you guys know her already. It's Baby Queen Low Flames, and this is where we do our thing. She share her thing, we share our thing on there. So there's times when I go do for her video, and then me I do mine. And there's times when the two of us, the whole family, is gonna do different things on there. So on this channel, you're gonna see a lot of different things where from me to the kids, them to everything that you can think of. Like we said, it's a lifestyle channel. So on this channel, you're gonna see a lot of different things on there, guys. So stick and stay with us. This is what we're gonna do. So from now on, please to tell a lot of friends, tell the friends to tell them friends to tell for them friends that lifestyle, MNR Lifestyle is the place to be, guys. Yes, so please check it out. Like over there, comment, share, and tell us, give us ideas as into what you guys would like to see. We do it over there, guys. All right? Yes, stay tuned. Yes, guys, so we're here. So now we're going to put our chicken into the pan, guys. And please to see with me. I don't have any gloves today, so see with me. My hand is clean. I just washed them. So we're going to pack them in like that, guys. Just like that. And we are do turkey, guys. So we cut it up here already. Everything already marinate already. So I'm just showing you guys how we do it. Marinate, just ready to cook. This is it here right now. I'm putting them in because we want everything to cook evenly. We don't want none cook and some no cook. Some people like to cook the turkey whole. I think it takes longer that way, guys. So when you cut it up like this, you're able to maneuver more better. Remember, no, there's times where we cook it whole too. But right now, we're not cook it whole today, guys. So guys, this is it now. Everything in the pan right there. So what we're gonna do is remaining sauce, water that over. I'm just gonna throw some. I'm not gonna put everything because the meat itself give off a lot of water too. So, and this one is in the oven, guys. So there we go. So guys, now we're gonna cover it. So this is our file. So we're gonna, okay, now full. So yes, guys, so this is it here right now. Yes, guys. So yes, guys. So this is it here now, ready to go in the oven, guys. So the oven is at so the oven set at 350 Fahrenheit, 350 Fahrenheit, and it's warming up right now, guys. It's at 190. So what we can do, we can wait until when it warm up before we stick the turkey inside, or we can put it in right away, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in now, and once it warm up, everything will start. So yes, guys. So and what we're gonna do, it's turkey with white rice today, guys. So you're gonna see all that. You guys gonna see all of that, all our preparation. So stick and stay with us, guys. You see what's going on, all right? Yeah, I'm gonna put put it in right now, guys. Pause it. Pause it. So, guys, I'm opening it right now, guys, and I'm gonna put it in. So where it is here right now, guys, I'm gonna close it. It should finish warm up in the next like maybe about 5-10 minutes, maybe less. So guys, after the warming up and it start do its thing, I'm gonna come back and check it in another like maybe 45 minutes just to see how it's going on. Okay, so stay with us here this evening, guys, and right now the camera is on them, guys, and some of them are play shy and I go and like say they don't got no sense, guys. So listen to me. Wanna watch out them thing because they want or high school and then something. So here what them I go engage. First, me hear one of them I tell the other one say one teacher tell one you go take off the Sasquatch boot of a foot.
Mr. Wallach. Mr. Wallach.
So we want to hear that story. So from this up, we are going to go, guys. Yes, so they might go and like say, they don't want to chat on the camera, guys.
It was
so
one time.
I'm trying about guys because they are going to like say, they don't want to talk. So.
I was in grade 7. Kanisha was in grade 8.
Yes.
And I told her, I'm like, yo, I like Mr. Wallach. He's a principal that's from Brooklyn. She said, I don't like him. I'm like, why?
I did like it.
Until
that one day.
Until that one day he told her to go take off them Sasquatch with the boots.
Sasquatch with the boots?
Yeah.
So what is that Sasquatch with the boots?
The Sasquatch is like Bigfoot, but the boot was furry.
It had fur on it.
And he's from like Brooklyn, so it's to be expected.
And you're supposed to be in uniform.
You're not supposed to.
I forgot my shoes that day.
High school was way different from when and it was way different. You couldn't even have like a color on your shoe. You couldn't wear certain like shoes.
Yeah,
it was one shoe. It had to be solid black. You can have like white or black laces, or else you get sent home.
Yeah, but nowadays, like down out of school, it's different from
very different. We couldn't. I walk past the school now, and I see you guys in yoga pants, shorts. We were not allowed. There was 2 pants we could wear, pants, or you could wear Dickies. That was it.
Yeah.
Or you had the skirts, and I think they even came up with shorts for the boys later on, but it was either shorts, Dickies.
Well, me I tell you now, so I passed down the school and like. I'm not saying, I don't know if it's a bad thing or what, but sometimes I see some of the girls in that phone, short skirt,
yeah,
you know what's up. And you know what?
Be cold shit.
You know what? One of the things that I don't like, is the way how them carry themselves, the girls them especially. The boys them bad too, but not too bad. Because some of them pants they wear down as up.
Yeah.
I show that are not even boxers them are show up.
I know.
Them are show up more than what God give them.
I know.
And that not good. And some of the girls them know with this then have the
Oh, that's been long time. That's long time.
and then bolt it up back.
Yeah, that's long time. Thing. That's
doing it.
Me I tell you,
That's
some
long
of
time.
them they roll it up like this and push it under.
You know what
So
they
a
used
big
to do?
hump there at the back.
But the principals back then would pull it out.
Yeah, they would pull it out.
Yeah.
They didn't
So
like that.
even the vice principal that the former vice principal that was there, this is one of the things why enough of them like them vote against her, vote her out because she's a principal person. You can't do all
She's
that.
been there. She's been there for years.
Who is it?
Oh.
Yeah, so you can't if kids them what they do? Them go home. Then done wrong, then go home and then complain
But
to
these
their
are like
parents.
parents on the board.
Voila, then complain to their parents. The parents them that on the board, what they do? Them not dig deep to find out what their kids are doing.
For sure, no. It's so different.
It's different from you guys' time.
Way different.
When you guys was going to school, it used to be good.
It was like strict. You couldn't even underneath your shirt couldn't be colored.
Yeah.
You
couldn't be colored.
So if you parent them now, they don't really take the time out to find out if their kids do wrong.
Mm-hmm.
So like if I get a complaint about my daughter, I'm gonna take the time out to find out if she do wrong or not.
Exactly.
These parents nowadays, them only want that the parents don't want to hear them kid complain. That one only want to hear them kid complain. Then just come and then form a committee and then vote out who they want to vote out.
So different.
Because what them said, 3 kids or 4 kids cannot complain about the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
But when you stand up for rules and regulation, you will get that.
Mm-hmm.
Which is wrong because you don't have nobody to really take the time out to understand and analyze. Say, yo, the kids them are do wrong things.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? When they go home and say wolf, nobody asks where was the wolf and what caused the wolf to come. Mm-hmm. Everybody just has said the person wrong. Mm-hmm. And that's where the thing go off. And the system set that way. Which is the wrong way. And the wrong way could look like the right way. You understand me? When the system set that way, you're not gonna find no form of justice. Yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy.
So
how do you feel about high school now? You like it?
No, I don't like high school.
I loved high school. It was nice.
I want your views on what you know, why you don't
What
like
is the pros and the cons? What is the likes and the dislikes?
I never really like high school.
Well, I don't like the kids.
Kids are always gonna forever be mean.
Yeah,
You just gotta do your own thing.
and I feel like the teachers sometimes they just let a lot of things slide, which is
very different.
Yes,
Like that did not go on. Like honestly, when we went to school, like no.
yeah,
Like I remember one time. This is how bad like it is. One time, okay, you remember when like Chris Breezy situation with Riri went on? Like my favorite English teacher, you know who she is. Yeah. It must have been Italian. She said she didn't say nice things about like basically kind of saying deserving it.
Like she deserved it.
I don't know at the time. She said something and then Miss Teacher was not having that. She said, "You go to the office," and I'm like, "Wow!" Like, and now you're saying like teachers are letting a lot of stuff slide. That teacher would never let nothing slide. That's why I'm like, "Wow."
So guys, like I said, we are here this evening and we are cook and we are chat. Them are telling me a little bit about them school, the old time thing and everything, based on their presence because one of the kid that there right now, she's in high school. The other 2 are adults. And them done school long time, guys.
Long time.
So right now the pot the pan fire bubble still. You see me I say? And no soon see food still, you know. But one thing I have to tell you now, they have a little drawback to the video still, guys, because we set out to jerk the turkey, guys, but me I have a little problem with me oven, so I have to change it and slap it on the stove top still. So if there I finish up right now, guys, so I want you guys to see with me and understand exactly where I'm going at. So I see them, they look like them, they are drones of my food. And I want like say they don't want to put no energy in the thing, brother.
Okay,
Oh,
okay, let's ask you about your experience in high school.
My experience?
Yeah, how was it? Were you bad?
You see my
Yes!
Were you bad?
Yes, you were bad. Okay, so roll up book and put in a backpack. It was that.
Then in a film time I did
That was a thing. But that was the thing when we went out.
He was bad.
Oh, listen. But at least tell me nobody that focus on no gala, no holy misbehaving. We didn't have book in a back pocket, yes, but we still come out not a dunce. We can read and write and do my own thing myself. 90% of the kids them who go to school today and business in school, they don't have no manners, brother.
How do you know he rolled up his book in a back pocket?
They don't have no manners.
He's always talking about it.
The teacher them in high school, then
Oh, I'm sorry. I will
Dad,
cuss
where was
you.
the pencil?
What pencil?
When the book was
In my pocket.
Oh my god!
Yeah, but I mean that was then. I mean, like, listen.
Were you bad?
Me never go to high school at foreign. That's what I think. Me never go to high school at foreign.
But were you bad?
Go to high school at Jamaica. What you consider as bad?
What was the?
Me never bad.
You were out of order.
Me never bad. So, you can ask me, feel free.
What's the worst prank you ever done on somebody back when you were a kid?
Worst prank? Oh, sending fool a little further. All fool day. All fool day. When you grade for one piece of paper, give the youth and say, yo, can I go give Tom? My mother say, can I go give she over there, so?
Yeah.
And she take you and read and write for me and send him congi.
And you want me like
and
a
then
whole
when
trick?
you see it, you write on it and send him congi she.
Oh my god, and you made it go.
And then when she write, get it, she write on it. Whole day, I that me I tell you.
Why would you do that?
Just that kind of something the kids have to go through. So it's the scariest thing that I've been through.
Yeah.
Experiencing it.
Yeah.
Myself one-on-one.
Yeah.
I think I would leave that for part 2 or part. Listen, so the food finished now, guys. So here we are going, They are going to share out, see them? They're hungry, guys. And food them are bad for us. Then like they're not craving. But they do. So here we are. I'm going to share the food now, guys. And then we are going to show you guys what happened with the food that you can see. I just cook and eat, guys. So this is a fine thing, so did it. I just cook and eat right now, guys. Yes, guys. So this is the finishing touch of the food here right now, guys. So I want you guys to check it out, and please like and share, comment for me, please. Let me know if you guys like the presentation of my food. Yes, guys. So thanks for watching. Yes. Remember that my channel is MNR Lifestyle TV. Go over there, like, comment, and share, guys. Thank you for watching.
And texture of the rice is good. The spice in the turkey is good too. So overall, the food is a 10 on 10.
Superb.
Okay. What do you think about the food, man?
It's superb. Everything's good.
Everything good.
So good.
So you say it tastes good. It cook good.
Nice. Cook good. Tastes good.
Everything put together.
Yeah.
So that's why you have it spread out on the floor.
Absolutely. You gotta make sure you have the right posture to nyam.
I hear you. Tanisha, what do you think about the food?
Good.
What's good about it?
Everything.
The spice, the seasoning.
Yeah.
No.
So what's the number?
10 out of 10.
Be honest.
This.
It's good.
And for your number?
Yeah, 8.5. I'm getting a 10 out of 10.
Really?
It's good. Love it.
Alright. So you hear it from the I wouldn't say the horses them. I'm not calling them no horse. You hear it from the ponies them mouth, okay? Yeah, man. So thanks, guys, for watching
Are you
and
trying to
stay
say ponies
tuned.
are cute or something?
Well, in a sense, I always like to see little one them. I like to see them out there cute, look cute, and some of them shaggy and everything. Anyway, guys, like I said, thanks for watching and see you guys soon in the next video.
Bye. Au revoir.